Yun na. Danny. Oo, di sa bed ko. Thank you, Danny. Kaviaki. Shandrian. Oo, kasi nandun ako dati. Bouncy hair today. Ay, ano ba ng bouncy brush? Dinover ko kasi. Dati ito nandun ako sa nakakaano ko lang. Kawin ko lang. One moment. Si Bash kasi pinansin, na-curious tuloy akong mosit ka. Si Bash, may ever. Hindi. Hindi naman, Hindi ako nag-curl. Ano lang, sinuklay ko kasi medyo Oo, wavy siya. Inano ko kasi yung inano ko lang. Para hindi masyadong straight. Latin lover. Ay, hindi naman nakakaya sa inyo. Charot. Justin, Cavalier. Nahilo ko pag ang dami nagsasalita, nakakahilo. Okay, English. Kasi, we're starting to talk in Tagalog again. That's not good. Bad go. English. Why did you eat dinner na? Eat your dinner. Don't forget before going to Ligo. AG. Okay, what music? I play here on my phone. I'm sorry, y'all. So I don't have I don't use my V8 nowadays. That show you don't have me. No, it's not like that because they talk to me in Tagalog. That's why I answer them in Tagalog,